Spectrum TV.
Here to talk business with you on Spectrum in a world of business, but low. Market outlook, global. Twitter is finally giving its use because we're testing that will roll out. It will be available to Edita, Australia, and get stories making rounds. That, according to reports, severe illness. Well, starts investigating authorities saying he had fallen out of is a sorry story there, quite sorry, and why so? But a little emphasis will move straight to India's 15.5% higher interest rate make curbs eased 15.2%. Yeah, apparent big jump in growth with previous quarter, and economists, it's the story around all over is looking towards to more growth slowly is recovering from will be at a low 7 months in August of 2022, reaching the 4%, led by a 5.1 higher seasonal availability interruption. Good story there of proceedings and work at the oils at a negative 3 points. Dairy and sugar a negative 2 and lower 8% above its value down to the whole world. In go to agricultural market. Let's a good look at the chart would show what happened in October 2021 when it affected the whole world and got to a peak beginning to slow down and is down in prices of food and on the economic indices around the of what the FAO being a little bit upward. Okay, is 0.7% for soybeans, which currently at an upward factor though before the drops in today's market that's really gone up throughout the week would drop in the morning mark on a weekly basis, but on the daily basis 19 points, 0 point. Talking about the energy market, this was per barrel for the US 3% in the price section of investors and is heading for by the impact in recent times. Investors are closely monitoring flows from oil products, crude oil, gasoline, natural gas per barrel. And talking about a WTI increase, Brent crude 94% increase. Talking about a Nigerian plea upward for the energy market, and naphtha also downward, propane oil downward into the market has been relatively downward a ton. Business 360 continues. Of the agricultural market, but in the currencies, the investors brace for in European afternoon trades between the yields on euro. A weaker yen can also, the yen has been for intervention, quite inflated by years of chill. The Japanese yen, time in 24 years, by the time the US Federal Reserve Japan Governor Haru will start easing the market performance distress. Let's have a good view of business. On price still below the 10446 percent points, 0.58%. Yesterday's performance where the US dollar was an each one. The seemed downward all through against for $1. It's a little upward. A good look of Naira had to be struggling, who knows. But against the US within the pay of 0.2 points, a 0 point Naira being strong against the pound. Drop of 0.889 in today's market. About the Nigeria's economy, Nigeria's capital import in the second quarter of the year of statistics NBS. Amount of capital importation. The United Kingdom ranked 31.05 and the Republic of South 2022 investment into Nigeria in the second quarter of 2022. Nigeria Limited and the appointments by the Ahmed Halilu, the printing company, acting capacity, Smart Buhari, seeking elective reference of the governor of the central, a member of Nigerian security. Have a look at the stock market. Stocks 600 are anticipated not the Fed's next step in July above market line, which is set to resume on track to fall at the European stock negative. All being on the positive stock market report. Change. A total of 200.749 billion going to close at 49,009 trillion naira. 46% decline. Two listed equities participate for 3% share. Insurance came at last order the highest volume on